Hey guys, as weekend is around the corner, we are all in that party mood. So in this episode of Neha's Dream Corner, we have come with a great idea of making your weekend more special by sharing a recipe of Jamun Mojito, which is also known as Black-Plum Mojito. If you enjoy this recipe, do hit like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new to this channel, do not forget to hit subscribe. To make this mojito, we will need soda, jamun pulp, black salt, some cumin powder, white salt, lime juice, some mint leaves, and chia seed. To begin with, we'll first start with the jamun pulp. To make this jamun pulp, I have removed the seeds out of the jamun and blended in a mixie jar and made it a thick paste out of it, and this is how it looks like. So we'll first add it into the jar. I'm taking almost 3 tablespoons of it. And then we'll add some lime juice, taking 2 tablespoons. Then I'm taking the white salt, almost 1 tablespoon, and some black salt. And then I'm taking some cumin powder, also known as jeera powder. This is an optional, so if you want you can just skip it. Just taking a pinch of it to add some extra flavor. We're done with almost all ingredients. We're just left with few now. That is, we'll add some mint leaves. Now we'll add our main ingredient, that is soda. Okay, we'll start pouring it in. And let us be ready with our stir. And combine everything well. Now let us bring our serving glass to show you how we are going to serve it. To serve it, I have taken 2 mocktail glasses and garnished it with some sweet lime. And if you remember my ingredients, I haven't put the chia seeds yet. That is because I have saved it for the last. So it is optional. I have soaked these chia seeds for a few hours. You can either use dry seeds or soak them in. Since it is optional, I'll only put in 1 of it so that we get taste of with and without chia seeds. Okay. Now let me mix it once again before we pour into our serving glasses. I'll fill the other glass as well, which is without chia seeds, and we'll garnish it some more with some mint leaves. Our Black-Plum Mocktail or Jamun Mojito is now ready. Look how beautiful the color has turned out to be. Hope you enjoyed this lovely drink and have a great weekend ahead. Alright then, see you again in our next video. Until then, take care and keep smiling.